Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Sadguru Maharaj ki Kalaye Sundarakaram Sadaika Priyadarshanam Ajnana Nashakam Devam Sadgurum Muralidhar Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Murali Mandita Karakamalam Munijana Mohanam Yatyasthapadam Manamala Dharinam Prema Bhakta Mandala Nitya Kirtitam Premika Varadam Ashrayekam. With obeisances to our beloved Guru Maharaj, Maharanyam Sri Sri Muralidhara Swamiji, and to our beloved divine couple, Sri Madhuri Sakhi Sameta Premika Varada Thakurji, it is indeed a great joy, bliss, happiness for me to have, in a way, seen what has been happening in the last 7 days, where we have come together between the two nations across 13 cities and across about 80 families and 109 children. We have come together to do a Bhagavata Saptaha of the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. And it was first initially floated by our brothers Kanda Prasadji and family. And the moment he proposed, I remembered the wonderful must be prophetic verses of our Swamiji, the words of our Swamiji. Around 10-12 years back, he actually expressed a desire that all our children in our satsang or beyond should all come together and they themselves should do a saptaham. It was more a lecture, it was more pravachan. And about 7 children came forward, and within a short time, actually, we did a Bala Bhagavata Saptaham in India. And when this idea was floated that we wanted children to do the actual Parayinam, when I say children, I mean relatively speaking, because when I see the ages, I'm really baffled. Right from a 3-year-old from Atlanta, we have 21-year-olds or 21-year youngs to come together, 109 of you to come together with the support of your family, encouragement from your family, to read the various chapters of Srimad Bhagavatam. It is something which is incredible, which is something which is like a dream. And I did hear a couple of yours Parayinam whenever I could find time. It was very good. It was flawless, and it was done with tremendous dedication and love. And it was a pullarikra moment for people like us to see such wonderful Parayinam of Bhagavatam. And the beauty is it is about wide ranges across 3 or 4 time zones. And right from the edge of California to this side to Toronto in Canada, right from Edmonton and Seattle up to Florida, we had people across North America joining together in this incredible coming together like a family to read Bhagavatam, which is one of the most beloved scriptures for all Mahatmas and especially our own beloved Guru Maharaj. And it was possible by the collaboration between GOD USA and GOD Canada. So Skanda Prasadji referred to it as God North America. No such entity exists, but it is just the collaboration between two God organizations. As a satsang in the heart, there is a God North America. And GOD North America is actually an ecosystem we want to provide for all our children and ourselves also to ensure the best in us flowers. You see, that's the whole idea of giving an ecosystem of satsang, ecosystem of getting the children demonstrate their learnings in fine arts, in lecturing, etc. So that we allow or we create an ambience for the best in us to flower, be it humanity or divinity. So for both of it to flower within us, And I think indirectly, COVID has brought us all together, not only in fighting this major ill which is afflicting the world, but also in ensuring that we maintain our cheer, we maintain our poise, we maintain our optimism, and we maintain our faith in this midst of trying times. And in fact, we have come together admirably well. And for the past 4 to 5 months, we have seen people come together from varied regions. And it has been a discovery for all of us as a family to see, oh, they can talk so well, they have absorbed so well, they can sing so well. And we are actually coming together virtually as a family, and we are relishing each other's positives and demonstration of what learnings they had, etc. And this Bhagavata Saptaha is obviously by the grace and with the complete blessings of our beloved Master, Maharanyam Sri Sri Muralidhara Swamiji, as our GOD, as an organization, if I can use that term. It's more a group of people with like-minded spirit to bring in the best in all of us, in us and in people whom we know. And that has 4 major pillars, as we all know. And one of the most important pillars there is Bhagavatam and Mahamantra. Apart from that, we have Yugala Puja and the Vrindavana Yatra. And Bhagavatam being one of the important pillars, when all our youngsters from our families across North America have come together and recited the verses of Bhagavatam flawlessly, it is something one cannot even imagine, even in Asia, even in India. Even in India, I dare say, you can't immediately get this 108 children to come and do a parayana of Bhagavatam. And it has happened in North America by purely the grace of our Guru Maharaj, and also by the dedicated efforts of all our family members. It was coordinated and championed by Skanda Prasad. But behind Skanda Prasad ji, I know how many of you have supported. And all the parents who thought it was an important initiative. And in some families, the children who drove it. I've been hearing in some families, the child wanted to do, and it drove the parents to get the English version of it, made the parents sit down and teach the child how to do Parayanam. And that is the beauty of this wonderful event. 109 children, they came together to do the Parayan. And believe it or not, 32 children within the 109 are already doing Nitya Parayanam of Bhagavad. Which means Nitya Parayana means every day, 32 of this 109 who are youngsters, less than or equal to 21 years old, they are reading 1 chapter a day as a part of their life. Can you imagine how much blessings and grace that they are already a recipient of? And about 40 of the rest, which is totally 72 now, isn't it? The 40 of the children have expressed interest that I want to do Nitya Parayanam, help me. And this is something which is incredible to listen and very, very exhilarating to even ponder about. And there are 22 children who have signed up for a Bala Bhagavatam class, which is going to be run and championed by Edmonton Sharada Srinivasanji. So really, we didn't expect all this, isn't it? It's all Barsatu Barsatu Guru Krupa. Piyo Piyo Pyare Nishi Dinasar. And as I said, the youngest was the one who said Venugita, 4 years old, 3.5 years old. And the eldest was 21 years old. There are many people who are around 21 years old. This is how we come together. And it was an incredible, joy to come together to do Bhagavata Parayanam. And we did the 90 chapters of Krishna Katha, especially during the time when we are celebrating Janmashtami all over the world. And we also included Panchastuti and some important stuti like Rudra Geetam, etc. from other chapters, Shuka Stuti, Rudra Geetam, etc. and also Narayana Kavacham, which is very important for the current times. And of course, the apt conclusion is the last 2 chapters of Srimad Bhagavatam, which talks about the essence of the entire story and the final conclusion. And also, I was privy to some feedback given by the parents, and it was really glowing feedback. Obviously, you have relished it a lot, which is what we want finally, that all our families need to relish what we are doing. Bhagavata Dharma is enjoying what we do. Be it Kirtan, be it Parayan, be it Bhajan, be it Pravachan, be it even Utsav. Everything is about Utsaham. Utsaham means enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means relishing something. A person cannot be enthusiastic and do things grudgingly, isn't it? So it's very clear that we all came together and with great enthusiasm, we have actually done this wonderful Parayanam. Now, what I'm going to do is, three of our youngsters, they did three Ashtotra Shatanamavalis. One youngster did it on Srimad Bhagavatam. One youngster did it on Krishna Ashtotram and Lakshmi Ashtotram. One of our youngsters in the family did for Gurunatha, Sadgurunatha Ashtotram. Guru is covered and Bhagavatam is covered, but there is one important thing left, which is Bhagavatas Ashtotram. So I am going to do, not to read out the names, please don't mistake me, you may see them as your child. You may see them as your son or daughter, but the way I see it is for the past 7 days, they have been doing Bhagavata Parayanam in their own right. They are all Bhagavatas. So allow me to do a little Bhagavata Ashtottara Shata Namavali of the 108 Bhagavatas plus 109 who have done either Bhagavata Parayanam or Ashtottara Puja to our Thakurji and Guru Maharaj. Okay? And I've arranged it in alphabetical order, right? And the age is also there. Some children may not like to see the age, so I can't. You don't have an option. All are ageless children, okay? So let me start with Aditya and Aditi Ramanan, Aditi Anand, Aditi K, Aditi Rajesh, Akshay K, Akshaj, Akshara Ramji, Anant Prabhas, Godugula, Ananya Anand, Ananya Hariharasutan, Ananya Prakash, Anindita. Now you are feeling now why you didn't give the full name. It's okay. Anirudh Iyer, Aniruddha Narayanan, Anuradha Vijay, Apurva, Badri Nagarajan, Balram Krishna, Bhavana Chandramoli, Bhunidhi, Chaitli, Chandrasekhar, Chetana Ganesh, Chinmayi, Diksha Madan, Dhanya Jayaraman, Darshana, Diya Ganesh Prasad, Dhruv Jujhare, Divya Balaji, Govind Ram Gopal, Gurudas Muthu Karupan, Haricharan Raman, Harini, Harini Ganesh, Harini Tallap Pragada, Harish, Harshit, Jayashri, Kannan Desikan, Kirtana Srinath, Krishna, Krishna Ram, Krishna Bandhu Srivatsa, proper Namavali adha Krishna Mitra, Krishnanujam Srinivas, Krishna Prasad Shankar, Laya Chellappan, Matangi Kartigeyan, Madhavan Shankar, Madhura Sriram, Madhuri, Mahadevan Sita Raman, Mahima, Malola Keshavan, Meera Srinivas, Meera Subramanyam, Mohana Krishnan, Mridula Sita Raman, Namadev, Namita, Pavitra, Prabhat, Prahlad Krishna, Pranav Anantuni, Pranav Krishna, Purush, Radharani Narayanan, Ram Kumar Sridhar, Rangashri Ramakrishna, Revant Raja, Riya Madan, Rishi Ganesh, Ritvik, Rutvik Manjunatha, Sahana, Samhita Srinivasan, Samiksha, Samyukta Iyer, Sanjana Anand, Sarves, Shivam, Shravani, Shreya Rajesh, Shreyas, Shriya, Subhang Suresh, Sweta Srinivasan, Sneha, Sri Sudan Balaji, Sri Darshini, Srinidhi Vijay, Sri Ram Iyer, Sri Ram Yashashvi Godugula, Subhadra, Sumedha Jayaraman, Tejas Kannan, Thaman, Teju, Trinab, Purushottaman, Vaibhav Kailash, Varidhi, Hunasghi, Vedashruti Rajesh, Vidushi Rajesh, Vijay Srinivasan, Viyan Chellappan, Vrishank, Yashash Mathur, Iti Sri Bhagavata, Ashtottara Shata, Namavali Sampurna. Our heartfelt prayers to all these wonderful 109 Bhagavatars who have come together. And our Tukaram Maharaj, I always remember, even when I see the Gopakutiram programs, our Tukaram Maharaj says, more than anybody else, my absolute prostrations to the wonderful divine parents who has given such Bhagavatas to this world. Our humble pranams on behalf of all our family members in God, North America, to humble pranams to all these wonderful parents who have encouraged these things in the children. It is important for us to balance our social and all the other leisurely life with spirituality also. I'm glad that you are balancing both. And our humble pranams to these wonderful parents who have encouraged that in the youngsters. And it's a humble prayers. You may say we are all family, then why pranams? Na? We do pranams only within family. Na? So if you are grandson, we followed the feet of the grandfather. If you are a son, we used to follow the feet of the mother and father. All that we used to do, and we are doing. In some families, I see to this day, every day, the child comes and prostrates to the parents and and so it is our earnest prayer to the holy feet of Guru Maharaj and to our Madhuri Sakhi Sameta Premika Thakurji. And we are in the presence of Sri Guru Padukas here, that all these 109 wonderful Bhagavatas, let them flourish, let them find success, let them find joy, let them find abundance, let them chase their dreams and feel abundantly, happy that they have actualized their dreams. And also let them flourish in the wonderful samskaras or the impressions of our beloved Sanatana Dharma. Let their bhakti towards Bhagavan also grow. Let their love towards their respective traditions also grow. Let their faith in the divine name and Guru Krupa also go. And on this day, let us all do this prarthana for this 109 Bhagavatas. And we said that aloud basically because I am right now in a Namadvar where we have our Thakurji, Besway Swamiji, and our Swamiji's Padukas are here. In that presence, I wanted to tell all the 109 names so that our Thakurji listens to that, our Paduka Bhagavan listens to that, and blesses all these 109 Bhagavatas abundantly. And let us all chant together. Whoever is listening, please chant with me. Let us chant a Maha Mantra for the well-being of this wonderful 109 gems, whom we proudly boast that they are part of the God North America family. And let them also grow in spirituality, let them grow emotionally, intellectually, physically, and also let them also get whatever they want. Let all their dreams be fully fulfilled. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Sadguru Maharaj ki, with the blessings of our beloved Guru Maharaj, Maharanyam Shri Muralidhara Swamiji. What next? Let's see. And one of you, I think it was Kanda Prasad ji, who suggested maybe we'll do whole of Bhagavad. Certainly we can do. And I also request, since we have so much youngsters interested in that, why don't we have a session between the Sweet 16 and what do you call, technically 24? Between 16 and 24, people who are like youngsters who just got into a job or just doing their studies or research, etc. Maybe we should get them all together and do maybe something on a smaller scale, because they may be more busier than the youngsters, along with what we are doing right now, so that we have a continuity of people who used to learn Bhagavatam but they are out of touch. Such events give them an impetus and a sort of a trigger, an inspiration to open Bhagavatam again in case they are not doing Nityapara. You can think about maybe 16 to 30 or 16 to 24 or something like that, a little more younger than the children type of people. And they can also do this Bhagavad Parayana. And many have already signed up for Bhagavatam classes. Please do learn Bhagavatam. And it is said that every word of Bhagavatam is divine. Just like how you see a picture of Bhagavan and we see it as divine in Sanatana Dharma, every sound of Bhagavatam is divine. Slokardam, Slokapadam. an earnest prayer from a brother to all of you is at least read one shloka or half a shloka every day. Because Bhagavatam says that bestows tremendous grace on the person who has tremendous love, respect, and acceptance of Bhagavatam. With that, I feel very honored. It is my Guru's grace that you have asked me to summarize what you all have done, about 2 months of work. And the children have been reading it once, twice, thrice. The parents felt so happy that their children are reading Bhagavatam. The children are very happy. The youngsters are very happy they are reading Bhagavatam. So it is Anandamayam. Whether it is in coordination, whether it is in enabling, or whether it is in the actual performing of doing the Parayana. And with these wonderful thoughts, let me sign off. And may our Bhagavan ever bestow all his grace on all of us. May there not be any affliction or kami or any lack in us. Let us all be ever happy, cheerful, and grateful for the grace bestowed upon us by Guru and Sarvatra Govindanam Sankirtanam. These 3 slokas are the Mangala slokas blessed to us by our Swamiji and by our devotees of the Swamiji. So let us all chant these 3 slokas and then conclude with Kayena Vacha and offer everything to Narayana-eti Samhita. Premambudam yo muralini nadehi Sri Krishna Rupena Puravarsha Adhyapi soyam muralidharakyo Pushnati premna bhuvanam saharsham Sankirtite mahamantre Tatra virbhuya takshano Suprasanno bhavedyastam Premika varadam bhaje Yasya smarana matrena Jighvaya vardhate swayam Mahamantrastam bhajami Muralidhara deshikam. Everybody together, offering of our Bhagavata Parayana to the lotus feet of Narayana. Kayena vacha manasendriyairva buddhyatmana va prakrite swabhavat karomi adhyat sakalam parasmi Narayana-yeti samarpayami. Sadguru Maharaj ki Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam. Radhe Radhe.